Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you'll learn useful kitchen English expressions that people use in everyday cooking situations. From preparing ingredients and cooking meals afterward, these are practical English sentences you can use naturally in daily life. Each sentence is repeated slowly and clearly, so you can listen carefully, practice your pronunciation, and speak English with more confidence. All right, let's get started.
I toast the bread until it is golden brown.
I unplug the toaster after breakfast.
I melt the butter in the pan.
I make breakfast in the morning. I make breakfast in the morning.
I make lunch for myself. I make lunch for myself. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family.
I whisk the cream until it gets thick.
I knead the dough with both hands.
I roll out the dough on the counter.
I enjoy the smell of fresh bread in the kitchen. I open a can with a can opener. I squeeze some lemon juice into the salad. I shred the chicken with a fork.
I sharpen the knife before using it.
I use a knife to cut the vegetables. I use a cutting board on the counter. I blend fruits and vegetables to make a smoothie in a blender.
I wipe the kitchen counter after cooking. I wipe the kitchen counter after cooking.
I heat the food in the microwave.
I pour some water into the pot. I fill the pot with water before cooking. Before cooking. I soak the dishes in warm water. I soak the dishes in warm water.
I wash the dishes after eating.
I scrub the pan with a sponge. I rinse the dishes with clean water. I drain the sink after washing the dishes. I hang the towel to dry.
I dry the dishes with a towel.
I dry my hands with a towel.
I put the dishes away in the cabinet.
I wipe the table with a cloth. I throw away the trash in the bin.
I take out the trash after dinner.
I store the leftovers in containers.
I pack the leftovers for tomorrow's lunch. I label the containers with the date. I label the containers with the date.
I organize the fridge neatly.
I check the expiration date on the milk.
I put the food in the fridge.
I freeze the food for later. I defrost the frozen meat before cooking. I reheat the food in the microwave. I set the table before eating. I set the table before eating. I place the plates on the dining table. I place the plates on the dining table. I serve the food on plates. I pass the dishes around the table. Thank you, Grandma.
Everything looks delicious.
Thank you. I share the food with my family.
It looks wonderful, dear.
Thank you, Grandma. I enjoy the meal with my family. We eat the food while it is warm. I refill the water glasses during dinner.
Thank you, Grandma.
You're the best. I try a new recipe today. I follow the recipe carefully. Stir the sauce slowly. Perfect. I make a simple dish for dinner. Just stir it slowly like this. I make a healthy meal today. I make a mess while cooking. I clean up the mess quickly. I am done cooking for today. I take off the apron after cooking.
Thank you for watching today's video. Keep practicing these kitchen English expressions every day, and your English will become more natural and confident. See you in the next video. Bye!